Hello everybody, in this particular video we will try to understand that who gets the faster promotion, whether it's an RBI grade B employee or whether it's a SEBI grade A employee. Now if you check the hierarchy, then definitely RBI grade B is a manager post above SEBI grade A, because at RBI you start at a grade B level, in SEBI you will start at the grade A level. So yes, you are starting a bit early if you are recruited in RBI as a grade B manager in the terms of hierarchy only. Right now, from grade B to grade C, it will take you somewhere around 6 to 7 years. And why I'm saying this number, because this is available in the public domain. Then within next 4 to 5 years, you will be promoted to grade D, then grade E, then grade F, and then G. But the hierarchy promotion or the movement in this particular hierarchy is not that easy, because you have to clear some internal promotion exams also and whatnot. And moreover, the employee strength in RBI is definitely more as compared to SEBI. So once the employees are more, so the promotion competition is also more. Right. So yes, in RBI grade B, we also know that promotions are quite bit stagnant. But if you talk about SEBI grade A, if you talk about SEBI grade A, you are obviously joining at a grade A level, which is one level below grade B, right? But within next 3 to 5 years, you will be promoted to grade B, and then within next 3 to 5 years, you will be promoted to grade C. Likewise, if you see, a bit faster promotion is happening in SEBI. So if you see in the initial 8 to 7 years, 8 to 7 years of your joining, in RBI you are just getting one promotion from B to C, but in SEBI you might get two promotions from A to B and from B to C. And this is again a kind of a disclaimer to all of you that this is the information which I'm sharing with you, which is available in public domain, right? So yes, when it comes to the promotion, SEBI gets +1 as compared to RBI. So that was the overall objective of this particular video. Keep studying in the best manner, my friends. I hope you will all rock in this particular year of the year 2025. Right? That's it. Have a great day ahead.